If you're a programmer or you're planning to become one, then this video might save you months of searching. GitHub is full of amazing open source repositories, but the truth is that most people only use a tiny fraction of what's available. Today, I'm going to show you some of the best GitHub repositories that can help you learn faster, build better projects, and become a better developer. Before we begin, if you enjoy programming, AI, and software development videos like this, make sure to subscribe because I upload videos that help you stay ahead in tech. Now let's get started. First, we have the Awesome Lists collection. Instead of searching the internet for hours, these repositories collect the best tutorials, tools, books, libraries, and learning resources for almost every programming language and technology. Whether you're learning Python, JavaScript, machine learning, cybersecurity, or almost anything else, there's probably an awesome list for it, making it one of the easiest ways to discover high-quality resources. So next, we have the Algorithms repository. If you're preparing for coding interviews or simply want to understand data structures and algorithms better, this repository is a great place to start. It contains implementations of popular algorithms in many programming languages, and many examples include explanations that make it easier to understand how everything works instead of just copying code. Moving on, another repository that deserves your attention is Build Your Own. Instead of only using popular software, this project teaches you how to create your own versions from scratch. You can learn how version control systems, databases, programming languages, operating systems, virtual machines, and many other technologies actually work behind the scenes. Building these projects gives you a much deeper understanding than simply following tutorials. So next, we have Free for Dev. Building software often requires databases, hosting, cloud services, APIs, monitoring tools, and many other services that can become expensive. This repository collects platforms that offer generous free plans, making it much easier for students, beginners, and indie developers to build projects without spending money. After that, we have free programming books. Learning doesn't always require buying expensive courses. This repository contains thousands of free programming books, online courses, cheat sheets, podcasts, and other educational resources covering many programming languages and computer science topics. It's one of the biggest free learning collections available on GitHub. Now let's quickly look at a few more repositories that are definitely worth bookmarking. First is roadmap.sh, which provides clear learning paths for different programming careers and technologies. Then there's the System Design Primer, one of the best resources for learning how large-scale applications are designed. Public APIs gives you a huge collection of free APIs you can use in your own projects. Papers We Love helps you discover important computer science research papers. LLM From Scratch teaches you how large language models work by building one yourself. ML From Scratch explains machine learning algorithms by implementing them step by step. And finally, Best Websites a programmer should visit is a collection of useful websites that every developer should know. GitHub is much more than a place to store code. It's one of the best learning platforms on the internet if you know where to look. Explore these repositories, bookmark the ones you find useful, and keep learning consistently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and let me know which GitHub repository everyone should know about. I'll see you in the next video.